Welcome to our newest listing here at 1410 Lantern Light Trail. Wait until you see what this home has to offer. Something that I love about this home is the community center. It has water slides for your kids and cute playground for your kids to play on. But best of all, schools. You have got the best schools right at the entrance of this community. Come on in and take a tour. This home features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and wood floors throughout the entire home. This house is just waiting for you to call it home.